Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into the concepts of async and multithreading in C# by using a fun and relatable example, cooking a dish. Understanding these concepts is crucial for writing efficient and performant code. So let's get started. First, let's look at how we might cook a dish without using async or multithreading. This is like having a single chef who has to complete one task before starting the next. In this example, the chef first chops the vegetables, then boils the pasta, and finally grills the chicken. Each task must be completed before the next one begins, which can be very time consuming. Next, let's talk about multithreading. In multithreading, we can think of having multiple chefs in the kitchen, each working on a different part of the dish simultaneously. This way, tasks are completed faster because multiple things are happening at the same time. In this code, we create separate threads for chopping vegetables, boiling pasta, and grilling chicken. Each thread starts and runs its respective task concurrently. We then use join to ensure the main thread waits for all tasks to complete. This way, we have multiple chefs working simultaneously on different parts of the dish. Now let's talk about async programming. In async, you can think of setting timers for cooking tasks and then doing other things while you wait. This way, you don't need multiple chefs and you can handle everything efficiently by yourself. In this code, we create asynchronous tasks for chopping vegetables, boiling pasta, and grilling chicken. Each task uses await task.delay to simulate the cooking time asynchronously. The await task.whenAll statement ensures that all tasks complete before proceeding. This way, one chef can set timers and manage multiple tasks without being blocked by any single task. To summarize, sequential programming involves completing tasks one after another. Multithreading involves multiple tasks running at the same time with the help of multiple threads or workers, like having multiple chefs, for example. Async programming allows tasks to run asynchronously without blocking the main thread, using a single chef who sets timers and does other tasks in between. And that's it for today. I hope this example helped you understand the concepts of sequential programming, multithreading, and async in C#. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to leave your questions and comments below. Happy coding!